Hey everyone, I'm Gough and welcome to my channel. Now, if you're watching this, the chances are you're either feeling stuck in your career, maybe you're looking for the next big opportunity, or maybe you're just unsure of what steps to take next. Well, trust me, I've been there myself. Over the past 14 years, I've built a career helping people just like you navigate these challenges. Now, before stepping into recruitment and career coaching, I was actually a professional golfer. So making a leap from sports to the corporate world taught me firsthand about uncertainty. It taught me about risk and the immense power of clarity and having the right support around me. So today I'm here to guide you through your own career journey, whether it's refining your resume, possibly prepping you for interviews, or strategizing your job search, or even figuring out the direction you want to take your career in. I'm here to help. Now, I wanted just to post this video to let you know exactly how I can support you. First up, we have my career consulting. So I'll help you tailor your resume, sharpen your interview skills, and master the job application process so you stand out from the competition. From the career coaching perspective, maybe you're feeling stuck, you're feeling uncertain, or you're overlooked in your current role. Maybe you're looking for a promotion, or you're just in a point in your career where you really don't know where to go next. Possibly you're bored in your role, or you want to take a complete new direction and make a career change. I'll work closely with you to set clear career goals, build confidence, and create actionable steps towards promotions and career advancement. There's also the meta dynamic profiling. Now, this is something that we can work together on. We'll use detailing profiling tools to help you understand your strengths, motivations, and areas for development, giving you deeper insights into yourself and how you can thrive professionally. Now, this isn't like any other profiling that you may have done before that tests your personality. This tests how you think. It tests what your values are, and together we can help it to determine what route you may want to go next. Now, you may have noticed many of my videos focus on careers in cybersecurity, and while that's an area I'm deeply passionate about and can offer specialized advice in, my coaching covers all different industries and career paths. So if you're not in cybersecurity, still reach out. We can still work on anything career related. So possibly you're in finance, marketing, tech, or completely changing fields. My approach is tailored to your unique needs. I've seen the incredible transformations people experience when they gain clarity and confidence in their careers, and my greatest satisfaction comes from seeing clients achieve things they never thought was possible, whether that's landing their dream job, earning promotions, or completely redefining their professional lives. So if you're ready to make a change, or even just curious about what could be next, let's talk. I offer a free 15-minute exploratory call, no strings attached, to understand where you're at and how I can help you be where you want to be. Visit my website, lukegoffcoaching.com, or shoot me an email at info@lukegoffcoaching.com to set up your call. I'll leave the details in the link below. Now, don't let uncertainty hold you back. Your next big opportunity could just be one conversation away. Thanks so much for watching. I hope I connect with you soon. Please do reach out if you want any help, and if not, hope you enjoy the content on my channel. If you have any videos or topics you'd like me to discuss or go into more detail, let me know in the comments. And until next time, keep leveling up your career. Thanks very much.